Hey everybody, it's Sally with Sally's Solutions, and I got my LiveGood order today. So I took everything out of the box so you don't have to hear all the noise of me taking it out of the box, but I want to share what I got. So I ordered things in different packages. So there was a weight management package, I believe, and a skincare package, and then my typical ones that I get monthly. So, let's see. In the weight management one, this organic coffee cane, and it has fiber for weight management, maca for mental clarity, and green tea for brain function. And guys, it has, you mix one serving with 6 to 8 ounces of hot water. And I believe this one has, it has mushrooms in it. So I am not a mushroom fan. It came in the package. My husband loves coffee. He's been working on his weight loss, so I'm going to let him have the organic coffee. Okay. Then, Kevin, the sponsor who got me into LiveGood, had told me about their protein. There go my dogs. So I ordered the complete plant-based protein. Let's see, this is a vanilla flavor, and I think what I'm going to do is I need to invest in a nice blender, but I'm going to be mixing up my plant-based protein, and then I can add my super reds to it. I got the super reds. I've been having some problems tolerating it, and it's a texture thing. That's the only reason. I mean, the taste I can make myself drink that. Kevin actually loves the taste of the super reds, but I need to do something to sweeten it up a little bit and make it more palatable for me, and I definitely need more protein in my diet. So using the plant-based protein with the super reds and mixing it together in a blender, I think is gonna work really well for me. The next thing I got is the Detox, and I've been going back and forth on the website, and like you can click on a product and then you can click learn more, and it tells you all about the products. There's also certification of the testing that they do on each of their products. So that, as a pharmacist, to me is really important, because these are not subject to FDA review, but I'd like that this company takes the initiative to do studies on each product and shares that with the members. So that is the Detox. I know I have a lot of detox that needs done, so that'll be good. Another one is the Hydration Amplifier. Now this one is an electrolyte drink mix, so it helps you with rapid rehydration. It helps maximize your performance. There's 0 sugar electrolytes, and there's no artificial ingredients. It's lemonade flavor, and it comes with 30 stick packs. And I told my son to be quiet in this room so I could do a video. And what does he do? He goes out into the garage and left the laundry room door open, and the dryer keeps buzzing because no one has removed their stuff out of the dryer, and the dog's cage is in there, and they're whining because they hear me. So I really apologize for all the background noise. Okay, so this next one, called Methylene Blue, and it is a strip that you put in and you allow it to dissolve, and it's supposed to help enhance memory, protect brain cell health, support positive mood, and improve brain function. So many of you know, some of you may not, but I am a survivor of multiple strokes in 2023, and when I had those strokes, they found evidence of previous strokes, and I have had some remaining deficits to this day. So I talked to my friend Kevin, and he had a heart attack at age 35, and then he had a couple strokes in his early 50s. So he told me different things that he highly recommended for me. Those were the Factor 4, the Ultra Magnesium Complex, and the Super Reds. He said those really helped him after his strokes. But I was reading through the Learn More, and I saw this, and I thought, I'm going to give that a try. And it says it's an anti-aging, but I don't think it's anti-aging in terms of like your looks. It's more in terms of your brain functioning. So I am definitely going to give these a try. And it is 1 film strip on the tongue every other day. For best results, seek at least 5 minutes of natural sunlight within 30 minutes of use. We're finally starting to get some sunshine here in Ohio, so I'm excited to try the methylene blue. Okay, so I mentioned the Ultra Magnesium. That's just basically a refill for me. The Factor 4, and this is for your cardiac health. It's healthy heart support, supports joint and organ health, promotes immune health, and supports healthy circulation, which is important to someone with cardiovascular disease. The Magnesium Complex helps you get maximum muscle, nerve, and energy support, and it supports over 300 enzyme reactions. Magnesium is something that our body definitely needs. Not very many people get the amount that they need, so a magnesium supplement is very, very helpful. The other one that I take is the D3-K2. So many people are deficient in vitamin D, especially if you don't have sunlight days year round. Now, obviously, we have daytime in the winter, but we don't get a lot of sun, and it's so cold that I don't go out in it. So this is a great way for me to keep my vitamin D levels steady where they need to be. And then the K2 is potassium, and let's see, this supports healthy bone health and immune function. So D3, that's a lot of women will find out that they have osteoporosis, and some of those women will have problems with getting fractures easily if they take a fall. Vitamin D3 is one of the things that's prescribed along with some other prescription medications that will help with that. But definitely a vitamin D3 supplement is one of the first things doctors will go to if somebody is diagnosed with osteoporosis. Okay, and then I got my multivitamin. So this is a package that comes. So if you buy these 3 together as the package, it's less than buying each one individually. But LiveGood has very good prices on their supplements. And there's comparisons on the website for like what you would get, and it tells you other brand names and what they're charging for their comparable supplements. Okay, and then another one that I got this time that I haven't gotten before is the Essential Aminos, and that is one that Kevin told me about again. His name is Kevin Love, and can I tell you that I love Kevin Love because he's been so helpful in my journey to try and improve my health. And the Essential Aminos are delicious fruit punch flavor. They support muscle strength and function. They boost stamina and recovery and promote energy and focus. So the reason that I went for this one is the energy and focus. I've definitely had issues with energy and focus since my stroke, and this is going to be super helpful. All right, guys, and then the last thing that I ordered was a skincare kit. So there's Ageless Renewal, which is the anti-aging serum. Instant youth for wrinkles and lines, guys. See all this crow's feet? I don't know if it'll do anything for the black circles, but I can certainly hope. Herbal Radiance Enriched Toner. And then the last one, that's getting in the way of my camera, sorry, is called VitaGlow, and this is a hydrating moisturizer. So now that I'm doing these supplements and I'm actively working to improve my health, I also want to improve this. This, okay guys, I showed you some of the wrinkles and stuff. I was a sun goddess in my younger years. So I have a lot of different age spots on me, or heck, if I had insurance and could afford to go to the doctor, it's possible I would find out that these are melanomas. So I want to take care of my skin. You only get one body, one skin. Let's take care of it. So that is my unboxing video from LiveGood. I will post my link beneath there. What I highly recommend for people to do is there is a free health assessment you can take. I will put that link on there as well. I encourage you to take the free health assessment. You will receive a free health report after you take the assessment that will go through the different supplements you may need to help improve your health. And then if you decide to go that route, I highly recommend that you become a member, because the member prices are much better than the retail prices. So, I think it's like $40 a year to become a member, and then you get the member discounts on your orders. So definitely worth it. All right, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can continue to see videos from Sally's Solutions concerning topics like LiveGood, building an online business, and home fragrance. So that's it. I appreciate your time. Take care.